In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share audio on Google Meet. Sharing your computer's sound properly is really important if you're presenting a video, a music clip, or anything where the audience needs to hear what you're hearing. If you've ever tried to play a video and people said they couldn't hear it, this walkthrough will fix that for you. First, open Google Meet in your browser and either start a new meeting or join an existing one. Once you're inside the meeting and you can see the main call window, look toward the bottom of the screen for the Present button. Depending on your version, it may say Present Now or just Present. Go ahead and click that. When you click Present, Google Meet will give you a few choices for what you want to share. You'll usually see options like your entire screen, a window, and a tab. If you want to share audio clearly and reliably, the best option in most cases is to share a browser tab. This is especially true if you're playing something from a website like a streaming service or a YouTube video. Choose the tab that has the audio or video you want to play. Before you confirm, look carefully in the share window. There should be a small checkbox labeled something like Share Tab Audio or Share System Audio. This box is easy to miss, but it's the key step that allows everyone in the meeting to hear your sound. Make sure that checkbox is turned on, and then click Share. Now switch to the tab you're sharing and start playing your audio or video. People in the meeting should immediately be able to hear it, along with seeing whatever is on your screen. It's a good idea to say something like, "Can everyone hear this clearly?" right after you start, just to confirm that the audio is working as expected. If you'd rather share sound from your entire computer instead of just one tab, choose the Your Entire Screen option when you click Present. On some systems, you'll also see an option to share system audio. Turn that on, then select your screen and click Share. This works well if you're switching between different apps, but keep in mind that any other sounds on your computer, like notifications, may also be heard in the meeting. When you're finished presenting, simply return to the Google Meet window and click Stop Sharing. This will end the screen and audio share and bring you back to the regular meeting view.